The Federal Reserve leaving rates unchanged, but announcing that it will begin tapering or reducing its asset purchases of $120 billion this month. It will do so by $15 billion, $10 billion of Treasuries, $5 billion of mortgage-backed securities. So the taper begins this month, $10 billion of Treasuries. The Fed will taper again in December. It's already announcing the decision for next month and expects to do so in following months. However, the Fed says it will adjust the taper amount if warranted by changes in the economic outlook. On the economy, says it continues to strengthen, helped by vaccines and vaccination, but the COVID resurgence from the summer, the Fed says, has slowed the recovery. There, the Fed taking note of lower jobs reports as well as lower GDP. Inflation, the Fed says, is elevated. A little bit of a change in the language here, reflecting, quote, factors that are expected to be transitory, rather than just saying reflecting factors that are transitory. They're expected to be transitory. The Fed saying supply-demand imbalances have contributed to price increases. It expects the easing of supply constraints in coming months to reduce inflation. It also expects to maintain ultimately an accommodative stance on monetary policy. And responding to what Liz was looking for, I've now read the statement a couple times as quickly as I could. I don't see any comment at all on rate hikes or rates at all, except to say the Fed expects to maintain an accommodative monetary policy or stance until its goals are achieved. Finally, the decision was unanimous. Kelly?